Welcome to Alpha Biotech. Please come in. My name is Venus van Asselt. I'm the General Manager of Alpha Biotech. And today I want to show you our latest production facility. Opened in 2020, it is a state-of-the-art implant production company. I'm going to be the tour guide today. I want you to follow me and I'm going to show you all the steps that we do to come to the final product that you're using. Please, come with me. So these are our titanium bars. This is medical grade titanium. But even though we ordered medical grade, we test them all to make sure that the quality is exactly according to spec to produce the nicest implants. These bars are fed into a CNC machine where we make the titanium. Let's go and check out how that works. Welcome to the heart of the factory, the CNC machines. This is where we actually turn in the titanium that you just saw into actual implants. We have 34 of these CNC machines coming from Japan and from Switzerland. Now, very fun fact, these machines operate 24/5 to make sure that we produce enough materials to feed the market. Now, to make sure that the quality is even then still in spec, we check this with our OGP machine, which is really the latest. And let me show you the OGP, come with me. One item per hour per CNC machine. We take in here and we check. After this, if everything is good, we're going to the surface treatment. Follow me, I'll show you what we're doing there. So after the implants come from the CNC machine and they're all within the specifications as we want, they move to this machine. And the only thing this machine does is take the grease off, because when you produce titanium implants, you use a lot of oil and lubricants. After we've done that, we move to the sandblasting. After we decrease our implants, they go in here, they clean the last part of the surface and already make it a little bit porous. We're going to use that porosity later in our acid etching to create our final surface. Come with me, I'll show you the acid etching. And here we come to the acid etching room. I want to take you in, but I'm sorry, I'm not going to do it. Here's where we keep some of our best kept secrets to make sure that we create the surface as you're used from us. After all the etching, it goes into the cleaning machine. It goes through the wall into the clean room. This is where we'll have to suit up. So let me take you into the clean room. But you can't go into a clean room without a full suit. So let's suit up first. And so after the acid etching process, it goes into the cleaning machine. So it goes in one side of the wall, comes in the other side of the wall completely clean. Once we have it clean, they're inspected according to all international requirements and put into their packaging. It will go through the wall and there will be a 100% check. Now please make sure that all the inspections we do are top grade. We are complying to all international requirements when it comes towards all of the process that we're doing here. And as you can see, we're taking it very seriously. Shalom! You're all going to be famous. So from the clean room, they put it through this hatch, again through the wall. Nobody else is touching it. The lovely ladies here take it out and they check. It's a 100% check that we do here to make sure that the product that we promise you is the product you're actually getting. So after this, everything will go to a facility to be gamma radiation treated to make sure that all our products are the most sterile it can possibly be. After the sterilization, all products end up here. Everything's 100% checked, everything 100% sterile, and this is our final goods warehouse. From here, we ship our products across the world on towards your office, enabling you again to make patients smile again. We have come to the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed, and I would enjoy it even more if you come and visit us. And we'll show you a little bit more. Until that time, hope to see you here in Israel. Bye!